The transformative approach of our judiciary in the interpretation of our laws has been bolstered by the transformation of the judiciary itself. Not only has the judiciary been an exemplary in democratizing or demonstrating, excellence of the judicial officers who are reflective of the racial demographics of our country, it has also led in the gender mainstreaming project. The transformation of the judiciary and affirming women jurists in the judiciary is an achievement that we should all celebrate. Honorable members, in 1994, when we attained democracy, our judiciary comprised of 165 judges, of which 160 were white males, 3 black men, and 2 white women. South Africa had no black woman judge in 1994. Today, ladies and gentlemen, the superior courts have, including 2 recently appointments to the constitutional courts, 257 judges, in all of which 131 are men and 126 are women judges. This puts the proportion of women judges across the country at 49%. This is a progress that we must applaud.